residents in Assam continued to demand Manipuri Autonomous Council. A sit-in demonstration was held at Dispur Last Gate in Guwahati today as Assam Assembly winter session was underway. The United Manipuri Association Assam UMA organized the protest. Employees of different government departments have condoled the demise of former CEO of 29th District and Arun Kumar on December 25th last. They organized a condolence meeting at the District Deputy Commissioners Conference Hall, 29th District Headquarters today. The new United Kingdom variant genome of SARS-CoV-2 virus has made its way into India, with 6 UK returnees testing positive for the new variant, according to the initial results of genome sequencing of positive samples released by the Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium labs today. According to the media report, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in a statement said that a total of 6 samples of 6 UK returnees have been found to be positive with the new UK variant genome. 3 in Nimhans, Bengaluru, 2 in CCMB, Hyderabad, and 1 in NIV, Pune, it added. All these persons have been kept in single-room isolation in designated healthcare facilities by respective state governments. Their close contacts have also been quarantined. With a positivity rate of 4.1%, India's daily COVID-19 cases increased by 43,893 in the last 24 hours, taking the country's tally close to the 80 lakh mark, the Health Ministry data shared this morning shows. Overall deaths related to the viral disease in India rose to 1.2 lakh as 508 people have died in the 24 hours. One Mohammed Masal alias Masaluddin alias Haji Basiruddin, aged 64 years, from Lilong has demanded compensation from Manipur police officer Thaunajam Brinda. In this regard, he has petitioned the Manipur Human Rights Commission (MHRC). Former DSP of Narcotics and Affairs of Border, NABTH Brinda, arrested Mohammed Masul from his residence at Lilong Turil Ahanbi on May 2018, branding him a leader of an international drug smuggling racket. Masul registered a case with MHRC demanding proper compensation for allegedly slandering him. Kaching District Superintendent of Police Victoria Yengkhom, Additional SP Law and Order Joyraj Yumnam, and Additional SP Operations Manihar honored a team of Kaching police personnel for their dedication to work. The police officials presented them with simple gifts at the SP office. Arts and Crafts House, Hongman Zone 3 has condoled the demise of Manipur's noted sculpturist, painter and writer Aribam Chitreshwar Sharma. Chitreshwar died on December 26. Meghalaya's Shillong Archdiocese of the Roman Catholic just got its new archbishop yesterday. Bishop Victor Lingdo of the Jowai Diocese has been appointed by the Vatican as the new Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese. The position of the Shillong Archdiocese has been vacant since the demise of Archbishop Reverend Dominic Jalla in October 2019. The Assam government yesterday introduced the Assam Official Language Amendment Bill 2020 in the Legislative Assembly. The bill will allow Boro language in Devanagari script as an associate official language for all or any of the official purposes of Assam. As the farmers' protests entered second, farmer unions have agreed to hold talks with the centre on December 30 in Delhi to discuss the 3 new farm laws and the ongoing protest. Abhimanyu Kohar, a member of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of 40 unions protesting against the contentious legislations, said the farmers have agreed to go for the meeting on the date proposed by the centre. Social activist Anna Hazare says he will launch a protest in New Delhi in January 2021 if his demands concerning farmers are not fulfilled in time. United States President-elect Joe Biden announced the members of his White House Office of Digital Strategy, where Kashmir-born Aisha Shah has bagged a senior position. Shah has been named as Partnerships Manager at the White House Office of Digital Strategy, which would be headed by Rob Flaherty, Director of Digital Strategy, according to an announcement by the Biden transition team.